Behavioral psychology, also known as behaviorism, is a branch of psychology that focuses on the study of observable behaviors and the principles that govern those behaviors. It was founded by American psychologist John B. Watson in the early 20th century and became a dominant approach to psychology during the mid-20th century. Behavioral psychologists believe that behavior is shaped by the environment through a process of conditioning. There are two types of conditioning: classical conditioning and operant conditioning. Classical conditioning occurs when a neutral stimulus is repeatedly paired with an unconditioned stimulus that naturally triggers a response, leading the neutral stimulus to elicit the same response over time. Operant conditioning, on the other hand, occurs when behavior is strengthened or weakened by the consequences that follow it. For example, if a behavior is followed by a reward or reinforcement, the behavior is more likely to occur again in the future. Behavioral psychology also emphasizes the importance of objective, empirical methods in studying behavior. Behavioral psychologists use controlled experiments to test their theories and hypotheses, often using animals as subjects because they are easier to control and manipulate in laboratory settings. Behavioral psychology has been applied in many areas, including education, animal training, and clinical psychology. One of the most well-known applications of behavioral psychology is in the treatment of phobias and other anxiety disorders through a technique called systematic desensitization, which involves gradually exposing a person to a feared stimulus while teaching them relaxation techniques to help them manage their anxiety. Overall, behavioral psychology seeks to understand how environmental factors influence behavior and how behavior can be modified through conditioning techniques.